Today in the grain market, soybeans surged. The meal and the crush demand is on the rise. Futures did rally 39 cents. It seems like it's completely racing to that $13 mark. Basically back to prices that we haven't seen since September. And this 2 month drawdown is pretty much erased now, and the market is really, surging at this point. The CVOL is at 17.2%, with the soybean oil CVOL at 32.5%, which is really as strong as it's been in quite a while. Meal is the one that jumped the most. It jumped almost 10% to 27.7 just over the last number of days. The option open interest for January $13 options is up to 11,000 contracts. So it certainly seems like it's acting a little bit like a magnet pulling soybeans up. Now, corn, on the other hand, was higher. Now, ethanol prices are reaching record levels. I think margins are excellent right now, and it's driving markets up. The futures got up to 584 before we had a little bit of a pullback today. But Chicago ethanol swaps also are reaching a high that we haven't seen since 2014. So a lot of strong news really supporting these markets. CVOL for corn is at 21%. The highest open interest is still at that $6 mark. We haven't quite got there yet, but it's got 33,000 open interest for December. And so there's still a week and a half left for these options. So perhaps that's going to be, an objective, certainly for corn, and something really to watch. So wheat did make another new high. Vietnam is eliminating the tariffs for wheat, gave the market another boost, as if it actually even needed it. The futures were up 25%, reaching 835 right now. Lower supplies are still at issue, and it looks like that the wheat market is just marching higher. The trend is still moving up like a well-oiled machine right now, so the higher prices are really expected to continue. The CVOL for wheat is at 25.9%, so really starting to firm up a lot there. The open interest on the 850 calls is at 8,000 contracts. Well, it's the 850 strike, really. 8,000 open interest. Perhaps the market is going to start moving towards that, and that's for the December contract. All three grains are each higher on completely different issues, so that just gives you an idea of how strong the grain markets are as a whole. And it looks like for the foreseeable future, we've got a lot of support going forward.